Remember all that crap that I talked about the ring flash and not being good for anything? Why am I holding it right now? I'm going to show you a trick. Many of you might be thinking, well, I don't have the money or the room or the resources to buy this big piece of equipment. I don't have room to put it in my office. All I have is a ring flash. So how do I fix that? Well, let me show you some tricks with the ring flash to get some cool effects. Here we have Drew again, and we have Ana Maria. So let me show you what the regular ring flash picture looks like. You all know this picture. You take it all the time. You come from the front, you point your ring flash at the patient, and you take the picture. And you will get something like this. We know this picture, it's not flattering. Let's do a little trick. Don't come from the front. Let's say you should deliver 6 veneers. Put yourself at a 45-degree angle. Come to the side. Okay, so I'm going to move. I'm going to ask the patient to look this way and smile. So now we're going to take this picture from the side. It's better than before, I think. It has more character, but it's still an ugly, overexposed picture. So I have another trick. Let's get this ring out of the camera and have somebody help us hold it from the other side. Okay, let's do that. And let's take the same picture. Now that picture has a little more character, as you can see. You still see the white spots because it's a small source of light from far away. So what can we do? Let's diffuse it. What's the most expensive diffuser in the market? A piece of paper. So you ask your patient to hold the paper right in front of the ring, which means it's going to diffuse the light and increase the size of it a little bit. I know my light is going to be low, so I'm going to have less power because the paper filters it. So I'm going to put my ISO maybe up from 100 to 200 to compensate for the light that I'm losing by putting a paper in front of it. Now smile big, and let's take the picture. Now this picture looks a little bit darker, much better in my opinion, but you should embrace the shadows. Shadows are okay, they show character. Now by having the paper right in front of the flash, you diffuse the light a little bit, but you did not increase its size. And remember, having glossy teeth is about having a large source of light with respect to the small tooth. So if we bring this paper all the way closer, right there, and put in this light right there, we might be able to take a beautiful picture. Smile big. Now that is glossy teeth with the ring flash. As you can see, you don't need to spend a lot of money. Even with the ring flash in your office, you can do this kind of photography. This is better. The strobes are better. But if you don't have the resources, a ring flash or any flash will do.